Smokers trying to get off of cigarettes now have an alternative to the traditional nicotine gum and patch. Because they are odorless and don't have tar like traditional cigarettes do, electronic cigarettes, or E-Cigs, have been growing in popularity. Eddie Swiddick is district manager of A Clean Cigarette. He says that smokers looking for an alternative to cigarettes may be better off switching to E-Cigs.
90% of the habit is oral fixation, that hand to mouth.
But despite some people using electronic cigarettes to quit smoking, they aren't necessarily designed as a means to kick the habit.
This is not a smoking cessation device. This is not a quit smoking device. We don't claim that. This is just a smoking alternative.
Now, Swiddick says these electronic cigarettes are powered by this battery pack. They also come with a cartridge containing nicotine, water vapor, and flavoring. The cartridge also contains propylene glycol, which is found in most major foods, lotions, and other human essentials. Recently, the state Senate passed two bills. One that would ban the sale of electronic cigarettes to minors, and the other making it illegal for a minor to be in possession of one. Senator Rick Jones was a sponsor of both of these bills, which still need to pass through the House before they can be signed into law.
Right now, a child 10 years old can walk into any gas station or smoke shop and ask to buy a electronic cigarette, and legally it can be sold to them.
Jones says the reason they are attractive to minors is the variety of flavors.
I know they have orange and root beer and even cheesecake flavor.
Angela Minicucci of the Michigan Department of Community Health says the Food and Drug Administration has done tests on electronic cigarettes, and they say more tests are needed to see if they are truly safe.
Those different chemicals have not been thoroughly tested enough to prove if indeed they are a safe alternative to tobacco smoking.
But despite the questions surrounding them, Swiddick says the alternative has been a good thing for some people.
People come in and, man, I've been off tobacco for 2 weeks, give them a high five, dude, you're doing it. Something that they never thought they could do before.
This alternative may work to get off of tobacco, but Minicucci says the long-term health impacts are still unknown.
They aren't being regulated like tobacco is, and so we don't know exactly what this kind of new product could have in terms of a health impact.
Swiddick emphasized that while he can't call it a healthier alternative, he can say it's a better one.
I know that there's no tar, there's no carbon monoxide, and there's no smoke in it.
For Focal Point, I'm Aaron Jordan.